In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut out an image here in Canva. Now, I already have this image here that we're going to use, and I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do this. Now, technically, you can't actually cut out an image, and what I'm about to share with you will only work with certain types of images. So if you have a picture with lots of different things on that picture, and you only want to cut out a little certain area, then we can't actually do that here in Canva, and you're going to have to use a different design software. But nonetheless, let me show you how you can kind of cut out an image. So what we're going to do is click on the image that we want to cut out. Then we're going to come up to Edit Photo just here. Then we can use the background remover. Now, as you can see, this has actually cut out this image. And this is just one way that you can actually do this. Now, the second way, let's just go back. In fact, there we go. Now, another way to do this is by using Magic Grab. Now, all these features here are actually Canva Pro features, and if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description. But now, if we click on Magic Grab, what this is going to do, if we click on here again, Magic Grab, this has now grabbed and removed this from the background. So now we have the background, which we could actually delete, and then look, we now have our cut out image. So that's how you can technically kind of cut out an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.